Hey everyone, my name is Riley, and in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 different make.com automations that you can use in your business. If you do not yet have a make.com account, I will leave a link in the description of this video that will allow you to sign up for free. So all you have to do is click on get started. You can create your account right here. And then to actually create one of these automations, we just go up to create a new scenario. And then we can create it all in here. Now, jumping right in with the first automation that I'm going to show you, this is a new lead automation. So what this is going to do is anytime we get a new lead on Facebook, Instagram, you can really set this first step up to whichever platform you are getting leads from. As soon as we get this lead, it's then going to put the lead into a Google Sheet. So it's going to list the name, the email, all of the information so that we can see this. Then from here, we are going to use ChatGPT or OpenAI to create a personalized email to this lead. So they sign up and then they are essentially going to get an email right here, a personalized email with their niche, their name, everything that they need. And this is like the first step of outreaching to warm leads that we have collected. So to set this up, we just add whichever platform we are using to get leads in here. We are then going to link this to a Google Sheet. So we just create a new Google Sheet and link it right here. And then we basically just set this up so that all of the information from the lead will be added in here. Then for ChatGPT, we basically go in and tell it to create us a personalized outreach email. And then for the Gmail section right here, we just add a recipient. We add the email address that they entered into the Facebook ad. And then all we have to do for the content right here is go to ChatGPT and enter in the result. So the content for this email is going to be the result of this right here. So this is the first automation right here, and this is for new leads from social media. Now, the second automation we have is a complete client onboarding automation. So in here, we start out with PandaDoc, or essentially whichever software you are using to send your contracts or proposals across. And then in here with PandaDoc, we are telling it to watch documents and basically wait until somebody actually completes their document. Then once somebody fills in the form, we go to Trello right here, or you can really swap this out for whichever project management software you are using, whether that is ClickUp, Monday.com, any of the other tools. And we are essentially telling this to create us a brand new board for this client. Then once the board is created, we then create a Slack channel for the client. We invite the user to the Slack channel. So the new channel is created for them, and then the actual user is added to the Slack channel. And then we are going to send them an email basically telling them that they are onboarded, that they should have an invite to Slack. And then this one is really optional. The Google Calendar invite, what you can do is you can actually add this onto here if you like. So with this automation right now, it's just going to schedule a Google event. But what might be a better idea is in the email content right here, you might just paste like a Calendly link and then they can book a call themselves. That's the way I set it up. The reason I have Google Calendar here is just to show you that you can also do it straight on this automation without sending them a link in the Gmail. The next automation that we have is specifically for e-com. So with this, we are automatically going to be creating invoices through our accounting software and then sending the customer an email for this invoice. So with Shopify, we basically go in here and we say that the status is open, and as soon as this is paid, and then what we are going to do is we are going to create an invoice in Zoho Books. Of course, we will set this to a paid invoice. So we set the paid invoice there that it's going to create. We then create this person as a contact inside of our accounting software. Then we are also going to send this person an email basically saying, congratulations on your order. Everything has been processed. Here's your shipping time. You get the idea. So a very, very simple automation right there. This automation as well is super simple and very effective. So the reason I added Pinterest is just as an example, but you can really add any social media in here. Essentially, what we are doing though, is we are going to be creating social media posts from Google Drive files. So essentially what this says right now, and we can expand on this, I will show you how to do that. But what we are saying is as soon as we add an image into Google Drive, create a social media post around this. So what you might also want to do is this is where we can add in ChatGPT. We can add ChatGPT right here. and we can say create a completion. So we can say create me a social media caption for this content. And then what we can do is we can connect up our social medias. So we might want to go for Pinterest. We could maybe go in here for Twitter as well. We could go for create a post. We could add Facebook, Instagram, you get the idea. But essentially what this is doing is it's watching the drive file, this drive file to be exact. And essentially anytime a file is added, what it's going to do is it's going to take that file, run it through ChatGPT, and then create a social media caption, and then automatically post on the social media platforms that you want to be posting on. Then the final automation that we have, and I really love this automation, but it's not going to be for everyone. Essentially what this is doing, right, is this is going to create us an image in Slack. So what I could do is, let's say that with my team, I want to create some YouTube content, right? Well, what this is going to do is this is going to watch a Slack channel. So this is currently my Slack right here. But what we could do is we could add a channel, and in here we could say that this is going to be AI art, right? And we would essentially go in and we would connect this Slack channel up. So rather than the public channel being general, we would set this to AI art. And then this is going to watch these channel messages and generate an image from this. So I would go into Slack, and let's say I need a YouTube thumbnail about a best dog breeds video. Well, I would just type into Slack, YouTube thumbnail for dog breeds video. And then this automation is going to send that message through ChatGPT, or DALL-E to be more specific, which is the image generator. It's then going to generate the image, get a file, and then it's going to upload that file into Slack. So you can basically use Slack right here. Instead of using DALL-E, you just type it in and it's all there in Slack so your entire team can see. So those right there are 5 automations that I have found super helpful on Make.com. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to smash that like button and tap that subscribe button. And until next time, take it easy.